everybody, welcome back to Math&Me with me Nikhila Sankar. So in the video we are going to continue with some derivative exam questions. I stopped it in the previous video. So let's start with question number 15. d by dx of x square plus 1 by x square the whole cube. So now what do you do when you have some x to the power 3, you bring the power down x and you reduce the power to minus 1, correct? So you have 3x square. But what is your x in this particular case? You have a whole new expression. So what do you do in such cases? You take the derivative of this x square. Imagine this is your y. So what is d by dx of y cube? So it will be 3y square. So 3y square. What is your y? X square plus 1 by x square the whole square. But it is not yet over. You also have to take the derivative of this particular term. Why? Because in this case, in the இடத்துல it is a plain x. When you have simply just x, you bring the 3 down. You have this x, you square it. But in the case, it is not just x, but you have some expression here with some squares and plus. First you take the derivative of this whole term, which is 3 whole term, power gets reduced by 1. Now you have to take the derivative of what is inside this. Okay, so d by dx of x square plus 1 by x square. So what is your next step? So write this down as is 3 times x square plus 1 by x square the whole square times what is d by dx of x square? 2x plus what is d by dx of 1 by x square? So when you have 1 by x square, which is nothing but x to the minus 2, you bring the power down and the power gets reduced by minus 1. So what are you left with? Minus 2 divided by x cube. So it will be minus 2 divided by x cube. So what is your final answer? 3 times x square plus 1 by x square times 2x minus 2 by x cube. Clear? So when you have some function inside the bracket, when it is not simply just x, first you take the derivative of this whole function, function derivative. So you take the derivative of the function that is inside. Okay, so this is your final answer. Question number 16. d by dx of x minus 4 divided by 2 root x. So this is how the form u by v. So what is your formula? vu dash minus uv dash divided by v square. So what is the answer? What is your v? 2 root x. U dash na, it will be d by dx of x minus 4 minus uv dash. What is your u? X minus 4 v dash. So it is d by dx of 2 root x divided by v square. So it is 2 root x the whole square. So what do you have? 2 root 3. d by dx of x minus 4 is 1. X over derivative 1 minus 4 derivative 0. So you have times 1 minus x minus 4. d by dx of 2 root x is 2 is a constant. Root x over derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Go step by step. Okay. Divided by 2 root x the whole square. 2 square is 4. Root x times root x is x. So you have 4x. What is your next step? 2 root 3 minus in the 2 gets cancelled. So I have x times root x, which is x divided by root x minus 4 by root x divided by 4x. So I can further simplify it. I have root x minus 4 by root x divided by 4x. Okay. 17. d by dx of x cos x. So it is of the form u times v. So what do you do? The formula is v u dash plus uv dash. So what do you have? V, this is your u, this is your v. So you have v u dash plus u v dash. So d by dx of cos x. So what do you have? Cos x, d by dx of x is 1 plus x times d by dx of cos x and minus sin x. So this is your answer. Question number 18. D by dx of x square sin x. So in this case, what's your u? X square. What's your v? Sin x. So when you substitute the formula, you have v u dash. V u dash plus u v dash. So here you have sin x times d by dx of x square is 2x plus x square d by dx of sin x cos x, which is equal to 2x sin x plus x square cos x. Okay. Question number 19. D by dx of x square e to the x sin x. Now since you have 3 terms, I'll club 2 of them as one single term. So enna pannalam? Now x square ex will be your u and sin x is your v. So same way, v u dash, u v dash. Let's see what happens. So you have v u dash sin x d by dx of x square e to the x plus u v dash. So you have u v dash, which is d by dx of sin x. So what does your first term become? Sin x will remain the same. D by dx of this particular term. So d by dx of again a product. Now this becomes your u, this becomes your v. Okay? It is like different derivatives. You have something inside the derivatives also. Correct? So when you have sin x, you take it outside. You also have x square e to the x, which is on the form uv. So the direct number differentiate panna mudiyadhu. Again you have to use the same v u dash plus u v dash formula. So what do you have? V u dash. So v u dash plus u v dash. So what is your u? V dash of e to the x. So this is over. Now in the term irukku. So plus x square e to the x, d by dx of sin x is cos x. So in the particular term is over. In the you have derivative, so it keeps going. Okay. So now next step, sin x times e to the x, d by dx of x square is 2x plus x square, d by dx of e to the x is e to the x itself plus x square e to the x cos x. You can maybe further take the e to the x outside. So you have e to the x of 2x sin x. 2x sin x plus ex வெளியில எடுத்தாச்சு. So you have x square sin x. And in this term when e to the x is taken out, you have x square cos x. So plus x square cos x. Okay. D by dx of x square tan x. So this is a simple function. What do you have? You have u v. So v u dash plus u v dash. So tan x, d by dx of x square is 2x plus d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Okay, you have to remember all the derivatives. So this becomes 2x tan x plus x square secant square x. That's your answer. Okay. Next question. D by dx of e to the x times x cube plus root x. So when you take the derivative, you have u and v. Okay. So this becomes vu dash, v, put a bracket, u dash plus u plus u p dash. This remains the same. D by dx of e to the x is e to the x plus e to the x of, what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. That is your answer.